Can I roll it? There we go. That's right. There we go. Okay. So today's science, this week's science experiment is about living and non-living things. So it's about Greta Thunberg wants to protect the Earth and help stop climate change. Many things on Earth, well, they do their research, scientists often sort things in different categories. Like we're going to compare and contrast different characteristics and behaviors, things. So that's what we're going to do today is we're going to sort living and non-living things. First, I'm going to show you a short clip of some ideas of what some living things are. Let's go up here. Some nutrition, water. See how the water, reproducing is one. Again, let's go over that again. Cells, air, grow, cells, the air, and nutrition are all part of water, reproduction are all part of living things. And that's what we're going to sort today is living things versus non-living. Let's get to our page. So what we're going to need today is some scissors. Some of you can cut and some of you cannot, so you have to ask your parents for help. I do not have glue, so I will be using tape. And then I have my board to put it on, my chart, the non-living versus living chart. Okay. I'm going to cut the pieces out. Then we're going to read the definition, this page right here, of what a living thing is. This is what we're going to cut out right here. This page, you got to cut it out. Parents can cut it out, or you can work on your cutting skills. Some of you can, some of you will have to have assistance. This is the living definition page. We just watched a short video that shows you that air, breathing, eating, growing, moving, and reproducing are all kinds of living things. So make sure you put this beside your chart while we're doing it so you can look at it and reference it, okay? So our living chart here. A plane. Is it a living? Does it breathe, eat, grow? Then no, it's a non-living thing. So we're going to put it on the non-living side. You'll use your glue stick because I don't have one, so I'm taping it. Okay. And a dog. What do you think a dog is? A dog, it moves, it breathes, it eats, so it's a living thing. So we're going to put it on the living side. So we're going to put it on this side right here with living. And then we are also going to do, this one is a tornado. A tornado, does it live, breathe, reproduce? No, it is non-living. What about this parrot? What do you think? Does the parrot live? Does it breathe? Eat? Grow? Reproduce? Yes.
Let me do it.
Okay. Can you put it right here? Put it on our chart under living. Put it right there. You gotta be able to see. See how Riley did that? She got it sorted. Okay, now we're gonna do the next one.
Let me do the next one.
You're gonna do the next one? Okay. Hold on. A car. What is a car? Is it breathing? No, it's a non-living thing. Besides,
It's
go below the airplane. Thank you. Good job. Is a tree. Is a tree a living thing? It is a living thing.
Doggy.
Look right here.
Is it a doggy?
Put it below the doggy. And see, this is what our chart looks like so far. A lizard. What is a lizard? Is it breathing? Does it reproduce? Does it eat? Yes, it eats. So let's put it under living things. What about this computer that you're on? Does it breathe? No, I want from glasses. Thank you. So this is non-living.
This is mine.
What about this horse? Does it breathe? Eat? Grow? Move itself? Yes. That's a living thing. What about this frog? Does the frog breathe? Eat? Grow? Move? Yes, it does. It is a living thing. What did you touch? You touched something over there. You messed with buttons again, didn't you?
It's that noise.
And look, it's a shark. Does a shark breathe, eat, grow, move itself? Yes, we're going to put it under living things.
No, let me do it.
Okay, put it under living things right here below the horse. Put it below the horse. Below the horse, right here. Thank you. Next we have a lion. Roar. Is it lion? Riley, you're not helping. You're making it interesting though. Okay, put it below the frog, please.
Is this frog?
Below the frog. So on our chart, you can see we have all the living things right here. We have the dog, the parrot, the tree, the lizard, the horse, the frog, the shark, and the lion. So now we're going to move over here to non-living. A flower, does it breathe, eat, grow, move itself? Yes, so that is a living. We're kind of running out of room over there, but it's okay. We'll just put the top. Like this. Beautiful. Ice. Does ice breathe?
Yeah.
No. Does ice eat? No. Does it reproduce? No. So it's non-living.
Yeah.
Is it rock? Does it breathe? Does it eat? No. Does it grow? No. So we're going to put the rock on non-living. See right there? A bit on the non-living. We also have, the last one is a lake. Does the lake breathe? Does it eat?
Yeah.
Does it move itself? Well, if the wind blows, but no. No.
No, it's
So
water.
it's non-living. So this was our science experiment today. Now we need to fill out our chart about our science experiment. So what must living things do? Do they fly, breathe, or do they cook?
Yeah.
Let's look at our definition sheet here. They breathe, eat, grow, move by themselves, and reproduce. So what does most living things do? Do they fly, breathe, or cook?
Breathe.
They breathe. That's right. Good job, guys. How many cards are in the living column? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 9.
9.
How many cards are in the non-living? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10, 5, or 7? 7.
7.
Thanks, guys, for doing this science experiment. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.